In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest to Asana. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring external collaborators, clients, or vendors into a specific project while keeping control over what they can see and do. Let's get started inside your Asana account. First, log in and go to your main dashboard. This is the screen you normally see when you open Asana, where you can view your recent projects, tasks, and teams. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. In that sidebar, look for the section labeled Projects. This is where all the projects you have access to are listed. Scroll through that list and click on the project where you want to invite your guest. Make sure you choose the specific project they need to work in, because guests are usually limited to only the projects they're invited to. Once you click it, the project will open in the main area of your screen, showing you the tasks, sections, and any existing collaborators. Now, turn your attention to the top right corner of the project. You should see a row of small profile icons or circles that represent the people who are already part of this project. These icons are your project members. Click on that cluster of member icons. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear, showing you the current project members and their roles. At the top of this pop-up, you'll find a text field where you can type in an email address. This is where you add your guest. Carefully enter the email address of the person you want to invite. It's important to double check the spelling here, because the invitation will be sent directly to that email. Before you send the invite, look for the permission or access settings in the same pop-up. Asana usually lets you choose what level of access this person should have, such as whether they can edit tasks or only comment. For guests, it's a good idea to keep their permissions as limited as possible while still allowing them to do their work. For example, you might give them access to comment, upload files, or complete tasks assigned to them, but not to change the overall project structure. Once you're happy with the email and the permission level, click the Invite button. Asana will send an email invitation to your guest, and once they accept it, they'll appear as a member in that project and can start collaborating with you right away.